If you want to respond to multiple question stickers on Instagram and share them all in a single story, so that is it. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching. Then simply follow these steps. First of all, open the Instagram account on your mobile device. Then simply tap on your story. In my story, you can see that I have asked some questions and there are some responses available. Now, in order to keep them all in a single story, all I have to do is go back to the story again and go to the responses. Then tap on the response you want to put on the story first of all. And when you do add to story, you can simply tap on the image option available for the any photo image on your background, or you can simply click any photo. And once you click it, all you have to do is drag the answer or response and keep it as a small size to fit up all the story, all the responses in a single story. Now save it to your gallery. Now, once you have saved this one to your gallery, go back to the another response and tap on the share response again. Then tap on the gallery icon available there. Tap on the photo you just saved and again drag the size and continue doing it with same other ones. Now you can again save it. Now go back to the responses again. And once you go back to the response, simply tap on the share to story again. And now tap on the gallery icon available at the bottom. Now again drag the sizes. Now repeat after it. So as you can see, you can do same. You can keep it, save it, and again keep the story. Now all you have to do is write down the responses right below the asked questions. And once done, so you can simply tap on the your story option available and post it on your story.